Today on Las Vegas Now.
Become the best version of yourself, how 3 celebrity trainers came together to write a book and inspire those in their 30s and beyond.
You're watching Las Vegas Now.
Look and feel your best. We have 3 celebrity trainers joining us with all the tips and tricks for staying physically and mentally strong. That's coming up next.
Well, it's never too late to become your best self, and you can do so with the help of celebrity trainers Desi Bartlett, Nicole, Stuart, and Andrea Orbeck, who are here today to show us how to feel strong, both physically and mentally. I'm so excited to see you ladies and have you guys here.
Thank you.
We're so excited too.
And I have my workout clothes on, so I'm ready to do some moves with you guys. But before we get into that, I love the story of how the 3 of you came together. You wrote a book. Tell us a little bit about that.
So we're all about empowering women from the inside out and finding your strength and your beauty and finding it inside, letting it shine out. And we come together supporting one another and supporting the reader, supporting you. So we're all about like girl power.
I love that. And girl power is important at all ages, but you guys really focus on the age of 35. And why is that age and number so important?
That tends to be the time when we start to have markers where things shift hormonally, circumstantially. So we decided to use that as a base age in which to help women kind of self-advocate and interpret what happens to them after that.
Well, in between the 3 of you, you guys have worked with all of the A-list celebrities, from Ashley Tisdale to Kate Hudson, who actually wrote the foreword in the book, right?
Yes.
Tell us about that. That is so cool.
Kate's been my longtime client. She's like my sister. I met her before she started shooting Almost Famous.
Oh my gosh, you guys go way back.
Yeah, way back. I think she was 20 when we met. And she's also the godmother to my son.
So you guys really do have that close, special relationship.
We do.
And she's always looking physically fit, so you guys are doing something right. And I want to learn from the best, the 3 of you. So each of you kind of specialize in different things. So I want to go down the row here, have you each maybe show me a move, something that I could incorporate into my everyday life.
Let me give you.
We got the weights here.
A 10-pound gift.
Okay, a 10-pound gift. I like that. We'll see if it's a gift later when I'm sore.
What I like to show most women is posterior kinetic chain, meaning everything having to do with posture and posterior. It's good for the back, the posture, and the glutes. And so you would stand shoulder width apart, hold the weight very close to you, posture like a soldier, and now the soldier's at a bird bath. You're going to keep your knees soft, bend down. The lower back, the glutes and the hamstrings are going to hinge you forward, and then stop and squeeze your tailbone at the top, and then slowly lower down. So not only does this build muscle, which means metabolism, it also influences posture. As we get older, we need to do weight-bearing stuff to prevent osteoporosis, osteopenia, and all the things associated with the shifts in hormones that change your muscles and your bones.
So a lot of great benefits just from doing this single move.
Yes.
And for people at home who maybe don't even have a 10-pound weight, you could probably use something around the house
you
too,
could
right?
use anything around the house. And then, so you want to aspire to just have really good form.
Yeah.
Do at least 10 repetitions 3 times, and then you either go heavier or you start to do more volume. You'll see it in your posture, and then also, you know, muscle development.
Well, I already feel good, and the minute you say posture, I'm like, I gotta stand up straight. So that's one thing you can do at home. Let's move down the row here. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm already sore from the 10-pound weight. Okay, what's our next move?
Our next move, speaking about posture, we're going to do something called chest expansion, right? So it's completely different than what Andrea did, but we're going to start in a Pilates stance. And what you're going to do is you're going to reach your arms forward, and what you're going to do is you're going to take a big inhale and lengthen and press down and pull your arms back, opening up your chest and
I just
heart.
let my back crack.
Oh, well, that's really good.
Okay.
And now you're going to look all the way to the right. And then all the way back over to the opposite side and the left side. And then you exhale and release your arms back out. And we'll do it one more time. Take a big inhale, press down and pull back, opening up the chest. Now look to the left first. Good. And then all the way over to the right. And then back to center. And release your arms forward.
Oh, this feels great. And we have peaceful music playing in my ear. I'm about to just take a nap. I'm so at ease here. Okay, now I am calm and collected. Desi, I'll bring you into the conversation here. What are you doing to me now?
Well, I'd love to help you find a deep sense of center. And during the pandemic, you know, we were all so stressed out. And we hold stress and tension right here in our hip flexors. Because this is what fires when we're in fight or flight. So, Jillian, if you could come onto your hands and knees, please. And then you're going to bring one foot in front. and bring it forward just a couple inches and simply lean into that stretch. And you should feel the front of your thigh.
This feels good.
Okay, now take your arms up to the sky.
Okay, haven't fallen over yet, so far so good.
You're all good. And then come into a gentle back bend, lifting up towards the sky. Take a deep breath in, deepest breath that you've enjoyed this year. Let it out through your mouth. And release.
Nice job. Ah, this feels amazing. And we have to wrap up here really quickly, but I want to tell people where they can get the book and find you guys, because I already feel grounded.
So you can find us on Amazon.com, also Barnes & Noble and Target.
You guys are all over. Thank you, ladies, so much for being here and showing me these moves. I'm going to incorporate them into my everyday life. I just turned 30, so I got to get ahead of this. I need you ladies in my life. Thank you so much for being here.